What is up, you guys? Kendra here, and in today's video I am going to show you guys how to make a bell pepper and egg scramble. Basically just using egg whites, and I'm using the Great Value brand because it was the cheapest out of egg whites I've seen at the grocery store. And I also diced up some red bell pepper, and then we have a little olive oil. And the olive oil is going to be used to saute the red peppers. And then if you prefer your food to be seasoned, I'm just going to use a little pinch of salt, some ground black pepper, and I just love using parsley flakes in my eggs because to me it just makes it look fancy. So there's nothing wrong with that. So obviously we're going to saute these red peppers first. So I'm going to use just a little bit of olive oil. Not a lot at all. And just move that around in the skillet. And if you want to season your peppers, obviously you can, but I want this to be as healthy as possible, so we are not going to season the peppers, but we will be seasoning the egg whites. And by the way, I just have the eye on medium heat. If you want it higher, then obviously do that. And we're just going to just turn it up just a little bit and get that cooking. I'm not sure. I think it's on Asia or something like that. I'm not sure. You have to finish making these egg rolls more than this with a little piece. It'll be done about 6 minutes. Okay, you guys, so the peppers are cooking, and you're just going to cook these until they are tender. So this is how they look. They're cooking up really good, and you want to use a non-stick skillet just so, you know, nothing sticks. And it also helps because, like, you really don't have to use that much oil. Like, if you were using like a really horrible skillet, you'll probably have to sit there and use more oil or whatever. But we're just going to cook these until they are tender to your liking, and then I am going to add the egg whites, and we're going to cook those. And yeah, we're going to just mix it all up together. I could actually eat these raw, like that's how good they are. So I'm just going to cook mine for about 1 more minute, because I don't need mine to be super tender. So yeah, they're going to cook for about 1 more minute, and then I'm going to pour in the egg whites, and you can use as much as you want. It says that it's serving size is 3 tablespoons. So yeah, I'm just going to pour some. I don't really like measuring stuff like that. It's more of I just cook what I want to cook, put it in my container, my storage containers, and do it that way. So just stir these frequently, obviously. You don't want to burn them. Turn the heat down just a little. As you can see, they're coming along very well. Too bad I can't get a good camera angle. I would literally have to like pick my camera up and like get a very good view, but this is just gonna have to do right now. So yeah. Okay, so what I like to do now is I just like to put all the peppers on one side. I'll put them on the left side. So all the peppers are now on the left side of the skillet. And I'm just going to put, like I said, you can use a cooking spray if you want to, but I'm going to keep it safe and just put a little dollop of olive oil, a little drizzle rather. For the egg whites. Let's see, a little bit more. I don't want anything to stick. Okay. And you guys also take notice that the peppers are still cooking on the side. They're starting to get some color. They look really good. If you guys can see that they have a little bit of color on them. And those are about done. So we're just going to go ahead and add the egg whites. Make sure you shake this very well. And we're going to pour it in. Do one more little pour. Because I am trying to get at least 4 servings. And we're just going to let that bubble just a little. I'll try to lift my camera so you guys can get a good view. Okay, so this is how it is looking. Now we're just going to start folding. We're going to turn this off because it does not take that long. And it can be done. So I did cook mine a little bit longer, you guys. These take literally so quick. That's my fault for trying to show you guys the inside of the pan. So yeah, I'm going to start putting them in my container now. So these are the containers I'm going to be using, and they have measurements on them with like a ½ cup and 1 cup. So I'm just going to place, this is how it looks, you guys. I'm going to put a very small serving into each one. It's not even ½ cup, so that is how much. So this is very, very strict eating. You can obviously have like some oatmeal with this if this won't fill you up. And this meal could literally be gone in like this by itself will be gone maybe about 3 bites. So yeah. If you want more protein and veggies, then this is the perfect thing to do. Next time I think I'll add way more egg whites. Yeah. So you guys, this is how it looks. And I have 4 servings. I can't hold all of them, but you know, you got your meal prep going here. Or breakfast prep, and I'll have like with some oatmeal or something, or you have like some fresh fruit. But yeah, you guys, a very, very simple and healthy egg white scramble, egg scramble, whatever you want to call it. I didn't even season it. Like, I didn't even season it. That shows you. Don't even try to be extra and try to sit there and put the skillet all up in the camera or put the camera up in the skillet. But you guys can add a little pinch of salt and pepper if you feel like it. I'm pretty sure the peppers will add a nice flavor. And that was even healthier without the seasoning. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.